What really happens during cloud migration? Most people panic. Will my website go down? Will I lose data? Will my app break? In this video, we'll break down exactly what happens step by step. Migration process. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Backup and planning. This includes taking backups, checking compatibility, and planning the migration carefully. Step 2. New environment. New environment is set up on the upgraded infrastructure ready to host your workloads. Step 3. Secure data transfer, where your files, databases, and configurations are securely transferred to the new environment. Completing migration. Next, final steps. Step 4. Test and validate. Before going live, everything is tested and validated to ensure your applications work exactly as expected. Step 5. DNS switch. Finally, the switch happens. Traffic is redirected to the new environment. This is the most critical stage. Step 6. Reality check. Now, in reality, we can expect a brief downtime, IP changes, and minor configuration adjustments. Your website is migrated. Now? Final check. Website loads fine. Database connects. Login, users work. All pages open. No slow responses. Pro tips. To stay prepared, always take backups. Reduce DNS/TTL in advance. And test your applications thoroughly. With proper planning and coordination, migrations are smooth, safe, and seamless. If you're planning a migration, make sure it's done the right way, with the right team. Explore AccuWeb Cloud to get started. Thanks for watching.